Over the last few years, consumer sentiment has dramatically changed. With the explosion of companies like Amazon Prime that offer maximum convenience, consumers want less and less to have to talk to people in order to get what they want. What they want is push button, magic happen. Because of that, our team has evolved its process of how we work with clients. If you don't want to talk to a real estate agent, but you simply want to set an appointment to look at real estate or set an appointment for our team to come out and look at your house and determine how we can help you either sell it to an investor, get a cash offer, get a guaranteed sale, or simply sell it traditionally and give you tips on how to improve your value. If you simply don't want to have to talk to anybody, just go to theduncanduo.com and click set appointment at the bottom of the page. If you're on your phone, The Duncan Duo, click set appointment. It's a few buttons down at the bottom down here, very easy to see. And we would love the opportunity, whether you're working with a contractor, whether you're setting an appointment for your car, people don't want to have to talk to real estate agents anymore. And we want to be able to offer you a service on your time with convenience so you can simply set an appointment and check it off your calendar and meet with us shortly thereafter. The same thing can happen with Zoom. If you set an appointment and you simply want a Zoom appointment and you want to do something virtual, if you're not local, you can set an appointment for us to have a Zoom consultation with you as well. And the notes of that appointment just indicate that you want it to be a virtual Zoom appointment, and we'll make sure to get that set up. So hopefully our involvement to serve you at a higher level helps you continue to accomplish your real estate goals. Thank you so much. And click the link for set appointment on theduncanduo.com if you want to go right to meeting with us personally.